Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you what to do in case your Tinder is not working on iPhone. So how do you fix that? So let's jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is make sure that your internet is stable, and you can always just go ahead and open any app, any browser, see if your internet is working. See, mine is working perfectly. So sometimes what you can do is you can just go to your control center, and you'd want to turn your airplane mode on. You're gonna wait for the Wi-Fi to disappear, and then you're gonna turn it back off, and now you're gonna wait for the Wi-Fi to reconnect. And right now it's taking some time. Okay, so now my Wi-Fi is reconnected, and if I open up my Tinder, it should start working. And I mean it will be working. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna allow it while using the app. Not now. And yeah, it is working indeed. So we know that Tinder is now working, but for some people this might not be the reason. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that your Tinder application is up to date. So if I go here, it says open, that means that Tinder is up to date. If it says update, it means Tinder is not up to date. One last thing you could do is you could go to your iPhone storage, and then you're gonna find the Tinder app, and then we're gonna offload this app. Okay, this is too many apps. I'm just gonna search for it. Right now you can press offload app, and offloading app will delete the app but keep its documents. And once you do that, you will get the reinstall button, and you can reinstall the app, and hopefully Tinder will start working. So that is pretty much all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.